Welcome to Smartipedia. In today's video, we will identify 10 foods that will help detox your liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Include spinach, kale, and mustard greens in your diet. Packed with chlorophyll and antioxidants, these greens promote liver health by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in toxin elimination. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Add broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage to your meals. These vegetables contain sulfur compounds that aid in liver detoxification. Number 3. Garlic. Incorporate garlic into your dishes as it contains compounds that activate liver enzymes and help flush out toxins. Number 4. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that supports liver health. Add turmeric to your cooking or enjoy it in the form of turmeric tea. Number 5. Walnuts. Snack on walnuts as they are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce liver inflammation. Number 6. Fatty fish. Include fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel in your diet. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids and can help reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 7. Green tea. Enjoy a cup of green tea, which is rich in antioxidants that support liver function and may help reduce fat accumulation. Number 8. Olive oil. Use olive oil as your primary cooking oil. It is a healthier option that provides beneficial fats and helps reduce liver inflammation. Number 9. Citrus fruits. Include oranges, lemons, and grapefruits in your diet. These fruits are high in vitamin C and antioxidants that aid in liver detoxification. Number 10. Berries. Enjoy a variety of berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They are rich in antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. That concludes our list of the top 10 foods that can help detoxify your liver. While these foods can support liver health, it is essential to maintain an overall healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, hydration, and moderation in alcohol consumption. If you have specific concerns about your liver health, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video to be informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay healthy and be well.